So I've got this Lego twirling aerial. It's obviously inspired by the Little Mermaid. It's aimed for ages 5+ and it's 93 pieces. I'm going to build it so you can see what the build is like, and then I'll share you my thoughts, let you know what I think, and also let you know if there's anything I would change. So let's get building. So here is the finished object. So it took me about 10 minutes to build. It's a nice fun build, and it is pretty simple. So obviously it's ideal for the age group. So, you know, as I say, it's for 5+, and maybe with a bit of parental supervision, they're gonna find that absolutely manageable. It's got some cool little features. You've got a little flounder, the fish, comes with it as well. So he lives in there most of the time. A little bit fiddly for my big fingers to put him in. And then here you've got this key. The key goes in here, and then obviously you can have the twirling effect. Yeah, so I think it's really good. I think it's really, as I say, well poised for the age group. It's not too complicated to build, but nonetheless, it's a nice little object. And obviously, fans of The Little Mermaid are really going to enjoy it, so I highly recommend it.